Look at those beautiful waves, Russ.
It is 5:03 p.m. Sunday, February 5th, 2023. We're in the Superliner dining car of Amtrak number 11. The Coast Starlight headed from King Street Station, Seattle, Washington to Los Angeles Union Passenger Terminal south of Guadalupe, north of Santa Barbara, California, starting to go right along the Pacific Ocean on Union Pacific Railroad's Coast Subdivision, originally Southern Pacific lines.
Oh no, it's gone. Oh no. Oh no.
We departed San Luis Obispo on time at 3:37 p.m. Hey, we might be coming to Honda Point Bridge. We're going slow.
That's what I told you. Look at the track.
My buddy says we're still going through Vandenberg Air Force Base.
It's got a new track here. It's rusty. Doesn't have any sheen from operation.
This train did not operate for 2 weeks between Emeryville, California and Los Angeles due to the Honda damage to Union Pacific's Honda Point Bridge from all the flooding and rain. So we may be about to go over the Honda Point Bridge. And it just started this train just started going over this section yesterday or day before.
So it's a test to see if the repair is any good.
No bridge. We have two General Electric P42 type locomotives, two Superliner sleepers, the Superliner dining car, Superliner sightseer lounge car, one Superliner coach and one Superliner coach with a baggage compartment and part of the lower level. Departing Portland Union Station yesterday, we had a total of 117 passengers, 34 in the two sleepers, 83 in the two coaches. Departing San Jose, California today, total 141 passengers, 38 in the sleepers, 103 in the coaches. And the conductor recently announced that departing Santa Barbara will be completely filled up.
I think it's just about the time, you have enough time to sort of like slowly travel.
That means 2 people in every roomette, 3 people in every H bedroom, 5 people in every regular bedroom, and 8 people in every family room.
Okay. Yes, similar question.
Fresh roses on every table.
Interesting.
My retiree buddy, Electromotive GM retiree buddy Dan. Real linen again, real silverware.
Hey, look at this, real salt and pepper. Real milk for the coffee. The real thing, there ain't nothing but like the real thing, baby.
Oh, look at that.
So how long, what's the maximum
Look at those waves coming in. That water's cold.
And sometimes it's like, that's the other thing I saw. Nowadays, the flights are almost like cheaper. Sometimes on cruise, you can get
View inside the dining car.
so it's one of those things where can I get there, enjoy my vacation, and come back
Okay,
Here's my buddy from Montreal, Canadian National Railroad retired conductor.
Yeah, Ken Wan, my buddy from Montreal.
he's retired. He's Canadian. He's from the Canadian National.
He speaks French.
He speaks French.
He speaks French. He lives near Montreal, Pointe-Claire. It was a Canadian National Railway locomotive engineer, conductor, and brakeman, passenger and freight service.
That's right.
And that was Chris just walked by, my sleeping car attendant.
Okay, let's see what's new on the menu today. Let's see what's new.
Shall we start language learning?
Let us.
I'm gonna have the Saint Hubert Paulette. I think it's what you say, Paulette. Russ is gonna have Paulette also, right?
Oh, we're getting the surf now.
I'm gonna get the surf and the Paulette.
I mean, the real thing.
Oh, that? Yeah, look at that.
Hey, the real thing.
I know. I saw some people on the beach there, but I mean, they didn't. I mean, they weren't in swimsuits. They were just hanging out on the beach. Do you want to sit here, Ken?
No, stay there. I just want to get one shot of the crashing water.
The crashing waves.
Yeah. Get one. We're pretty close to sighting it. So, it's okay, I'm waiting for us to get somewhat closer.
Okay.
Those are like really hard questions because it just depends on
I think the moment is coming now.
like how Europe things differ, like some of the traditions differ. It's almost the same thing for India. So yeah, it's like if you from the north, it's not
One that
Oh,
we
look at
just
that.
did before the freight.
Did you? Man, you really lucked out.
Yep.
This is
Hey,
going to be
you're-
a good part of the video.
I think they're just stored boxcars.
I think so.
Folks, I don't think this is a Union Pacific freight. I think these are just stored boxcars that aren't required right now.
There's a few extra. Huh?
yeah, I mean, my last one.
Well, the place is packed because there's only 2 seatings, you know. Well, and then the first seating, the people aren't not in.
Is there one more seating, Dan? Oh, this is it?
4:30 and 5.
Oh.
And I've heard a rumor that they're low on cheesecake, so I would suggest you not order cheesecake.
I'm not planning to. Look at the boxcars not required. Blocking our view of the Pacific. Shame on you, Union Pacific.
Unlimited parking.
Unlimited parking, yeah, the road of unlimited parking. Right, Ken? Right, Dan?
Yes.
But these states are
My goodness, golly. Miss Molly. They're all rail box. TTX rail box, boxcars.
Next load, any road.
There we go.
Hey, we're back to the turf.
There we're back.
So it's strange, like yeah, like say they're from Mumbai, they're one of like my friends.
I'll be right with you, boys.
Sure, right, that's fine. Did I bring the other one? No, I didn't bring it. Oh, there's a big creek coming at you. Look at that creek.
Here's the
Look at
bridge
that
right
creek.
here, Russ. You're talking about the famous bridge? We're going over it right now.
Apparently, this is the Honda Point Bridge that was damaged by the rain and the flooding.
Sure, I see a Honda down there.
Oh, do you?
Honda Civic.
There you go. Stay there, you're okay. You're right. I don't know if I could have decided. Son of all will take the picture.
Then I'll try the
Looks like an old rig offshore. See it?
Yeah, it's 5:11 p.m. Sunday, February 5th, 2023, in the Superliner dining car of the Amtrak number 11 Coast Starlight, Seattle to LA, Los Angeles, south of Guadalupe, north of Santa Barbara, California Union Pacific Coast
Dinner in the
Subdivision,
diner,
former
nothing
Southern
could be
Pacific
finer.
Line, over and out.
Goodbye.